Hi friends, this is Parvati from AHPRA. Welcome to my channel. I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my videos. Also, you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. Today I am uploading here the last video for APRA registration. I already done near to 8 videos. I already uploaded. You can check it my previous videos regarding the APRA registration. Mainly I done the videos how to create the APRA account and how we want to apply the ICHC, and then good standing certificate for UAE and how we want to apply the good standing certificate for the KSPC. Then the next video for how to create the resume for APRA as per the APRA format, how to fill the APRO form, then notary attestation for the APRA documents. These are the videos I already done previously. You can check it my channel. Okay. Today we are uploading here the video for how to upload the documents for APRA. In the first slide I just mentioned the important steps what we want to follow for the APRA document uploading. Okay. Then the next slide I mentioned the link. This one I already mentioned in my previous videos also. The same one. Okay. You can select this link and the screen will be open like this. From this one we want to choose the registration. From the registration then the next option is coming how to apply for registration. From this one the second one online document upload, we want to select that one. Once you select that one the screen will be open like this, and in this section if you already create your account you can choose the upload now. It will directly go to your account. Okay, or otherwise you can create your account in this section also. Okay, you want to choose this one. If you don't have account you can choose the I don't have a login account. Whatever the procedures regarding this one I already uploaded my previous videos, you can check it. Okay, then once you select that one document upload, the screen will be open like this. Privacy, we want to choose the next option. Then the screen is coming to this one, upload your documents. In this section we want to choose, please select your profession. Our profession is pharmacy. Then the next question is, please select the form type. APRO form, that is application for professional registration and supervised practice as a pharmacist. Then the next one is, are you applying for registration or do you have an application in progress as an internationally qualified practitioner? In this section we want to choose yes. They mention some instructions regarding this one. You can read it that one also. Okay. Then the next one, the continuation of the previous slide. It's not possible to put in one slide, because of that I split it. Okay. So the documents you upload must be, they have some criteria they mentioned. You want to read it thoroughly and then go for the next section. And one more important thing, once you start this process, before that one you want to ready your documents in your computer. That is more better, or otherwise it's very difficult. Okay. And so we can choose the option upload form. Then the screen will be coming like this. From this one you can drag it or click to upload. You can upload your documents. How many documents you have, add files, you can choose it and you can drag it. Okay, or otherwise you can upload it. And one more important thing, they have some limitation at a time. I think it's near to 9 documents only one time we can attach it, and one more option is there, one more documents also we can upload it. Okay, after that so because of that we want to, if you have same documents, one of the example, if you have the PTE score report, 2 reports is there, you can attach in a one PDF. That is more better. So we want to go for the next section. Once finished the documents uploaded, we will receive like this. The screen will be coming like this. Okay. Then you will receive a confirmation mail to your registered mail ID. Whatever the documents we uploaded, they clearly mentioned whatever the documents they received on there. Okay. And the next slide I mentioned, I have one rejection in my payment. They sent to my mail ID, sent to my registered mail ID because of the rejection. If you have any rejection like this, they will clearly mention and they will send to your mail ID. I want to just mention the example regarding this one. Because of that I just mentioned this slide. Okay. So if you have any rejection in your documents, they will clearly mention the reason, and they will send to your registered mail ID. They will allow some time limit, 7 days or 10 days like that. Within that time period, we can upload it, arrange your document and upload it again. Okay. So if you have more files, we want to add files, we want to choose it and then add the more documents. Once you finish your uploading, do you have any other documents to upload to support your form? They will ask like this. If you have, yes. If you want more to upload it, you can choose yes, or otherwise you can choose no. Then you can submit the form. Then once you submit the form, it will coming like this. The screen will be coming documents uploaded. They will mention the thank you later on there. Then they will confirm to your mail ID. They will send the confirmation mail to your mail ID. This is the only step we want to follow for DAFRA registration. If they have any rejection, the rejection means they want to clarify any documents regarding this one, they will clearly mention the reason and they will send the mail to your registered mail ID. They will allow the time limit also. Within that time limit, we want to upload it. Don't bother about these things. We have a case officer on there also. They will clearly mention, and they are very cooperative also. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can mention my comment box. Today I'm just wind up here. Thank you.